Hi friends. Third arm is a mostly important equipment for a technician while he is soldering, but its cost approximately high. We can build a simple third arm at home from the trash. A wooden piece and some screws and some harder material like wire, cable or anything, and some kind of tag which this clip carry. Then make a hole each corner for easily screwing. Then measure and cut required length of cable. Then cut the tag and free the clamp from it. And remove all unnecessary parts from it. Do the same remaining tags. Then fix cable on the clip. It's required very tight for the holding board or anything. Then the final step, bend the other end of the cable like a terminal. Then push a screw in it and it fix the hole before we make it. Do the same for remaining cable and clip. And finally we made it, the third arm for soldering.